How do I add friends in Brawl Stars? Here, to add friends in Brawl Stars, there are two ways to do it. One is either by teaming up, and the other one is by friends. Here, to add friends, what you do is just click on these friends here. Here you can see the list of your friends. Now here, click on add friends here. Now here you can scan the URL or just click on this add with player ID here, and then enter your friend player ID here by clicking on this box icon. Enter your friend's player ID and then click on this good icon on the keyboard here, and then click on add in order to add the friend. Now the second one is to add friends as team here. Now here, click on this home icon here to go back to home. Now here, click on this team up here, and then what you do now is just click on this search friends here in order to find a friends here by team up. As you can see, it is searching. You can see you find a friend, you see it here. As you can see, still searching here. You can see it here. Now it is searching for the second friends. Now to invite this friend, what you do now is to click on the player like this, and then click on this send friend request here, and then click on this confirm here. You can see it rejects my friend request. You see it here. Now I can try again with this player again like this, and then click on send friend request again, and then click on confirm again. As you can see here, it didn't accept me here. You see it here. You can find friends also by clicking here. If they accept you, find them here if they accept you. And also you can invite friend also here by clicking here, and then click on accept friend here and wait for their acceptance. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.